What's up, y'all? What's up, B?
Yo.
As you guys know, we've recently just moved into a new shop. It's been the hot topic, and we've been trying as hard as we can to get situated. But as you guys know, the situation was a little unfortunate where we were supposed to move into a different shop that was fully set up, and things happened where I basically had like 3 days to find a new shop and move in. So,
yeah.
Unfortunately, the shop that we moved into wasn't ready for us to actually move into, but we had no other choice because of the situation. Since we moved in, they've been doing a lot of work, paint, woodwork, plumbing, electrical, all that good stuff, and unfortunately, there's still a lot of work to be had, and seems like the workers haven't been around in a few days.
Yeah, we're coming down from the high of a new shop, and we're starting to get, we're itching. We really want to get to work.
Yeah, so
and we can't.
Right now, the big one is the lights. We're getting all new lights in the building, which means I have to move everything back out of the building so they can get all the machines in there to do all new lights. And the electricians are nowhere to be had, to be seen, to be found, and it's really screwing us. Right now, we're basically just sitting, twiddling our thumbs, waiting for the electricians to show up so we can actually do something at the shop. And it's been killing me. We've missed a lot of videos this week. It's been a huge pain in the ass, and it's starting to get pretty stressful.
Jimmy's stressing out. All right, he's going crazy over here.
It's a huge pain in the ass. So be patient with us. Content has been spotty, and hopefully we build back up because I'm dying.
Oh no, we are building back up. Once the new shop is set up, the content is gonna be a train run on the YouTube here. Okay? I don't even care. It's gonna be amazing.
It's gonna be amazing, and we got a lot of stuff to do. So please be patient with us. We're so sorry. We're not slacking. We're stuck between a rock and a hard place right now. Sucks. But on top of that, we got double screwed by losing the shop, because the shop we were supposed to move into, we were actually supposed to buy a lot of the equipment that was in there that was already set up. So a couple of lifts, some air compressor, some good stuff. And unfortunately, when we lost the lease, we also lost our opportunity to buy all that stuff. So now it is the full hunt to find new shop equipment. Brian and I have been going hard trying to find some secondhand stuff, just because buying new stuff is just ridiculous and it's not needed. But we're having a difficult time at this point. So we had some leads, we lost them. It's been a big mess. And a lot of you guys are like, oh, why don't you just take your old lift? So I actually sold the lift to the guys that moved into my shop just because it was kind of easier. It was already installed. They gave me a good deal for it, and it was enough money to buy the lift I was supposed to buy at the other shop.
Plus maybe we can upgrade a little bit.
Yeah.
You know?
We're gonna make some use of tonight and get some footage, because we've been,
we're just dying. We just want to do something.
We just want to do something. We're going crazy, and yeah, we've done a lot of talking at this point, so I hope you guys are still watching. We all love you, but we're about to pull up the B shop, and as you guys know, Josh, our buddy with the Turbo KA S14, Brian's shopmate, he got a little squirrely on the road trying to do some street drifts, and ended up in the same place that most people end up when they street drift.
The curb.
So we're gonna go,
Josh.
We're gonna go assess the damage, help him out. And another big one is Josh has been building this Corrado for 6-7 years now. Yeah. Beautiful piece, and we made some pretty good progress with it over the winter. And Josh is very determined to make a show at the end of the month that he's been dying to make for the last 7 years now. And I think we're gonna really gung-ho and help him out and try and get this car together. So let's check it out.
Some new Johnnies.
What'd you do?
I street drifted into something. But it's okay. Well, I wasn't gonna say the street drifted. It was in a parking lot. Parking lot drifted into something. Had a little bit of a problem.
Oh, dude, that's nothing. This thing.
Yeah. Well, that got folded in, and
the
mounts got ripped, and
I don't know what you're talking about. This thing looks great. Look at the grass embedded in this thing, dude.
I saw it. Way to go, Josh.
This thing ain't a lawnmower, Josh. Come on. Well, now it's scrapped, so good riddance. I mean, you needed to upgrade anyway, so that was kind of a saving grace on that one.
we'll try to get this one fit, or I may order a smaller one again.
Oh, you took off all the bent stuff.
No, I took off all the bent stuff and made it straight again.
Yo, I think his radio support is straighter than it was before the crash.
It very possible could have pulled a Jimmy Oaks.
Crash
it into straightness. I like that.
Not bad, kid. I don't know where this is supposed to fit because it's not going to.
Listen,
come on, John.
You could bolt this up to the car and it would work, but it's not good for drifting.
All right, yeah, whatever. Josh, so
same thing's gonna happen again if I
we're done here. Let's order you a better intercooler.
Done.
All right, so we're done with this for tonight. But let's show them your Corrado.
Yeah.
Moving on.
Here we have a Corrado.
Oh yeah.
It's beautiful, dude.
Sitting on year 8 or 9 or...
Oh, 8 or 9?
I
We
don't-
were
I
saying
don't
6
know.
or 7.
I don't know how many years. I've
On
lost
this,
count.
on this chassis.
On this chassis, yeah,
Oh,
maybe
this thing's... It's beautiful, though.
Yes.
So we're going to bring it to the new shop, right?
Yes, we're gonna bring it to the new shop.
And just go ham on it.
ham and
Cheese.
cheese. Yeah.
Dude,
even
what,
do that
hold on. What Model T shit is this?
What? My fan?
What? The radiator or the fan?
Fan. Look at this thing.
The radiator's brass.
Yeah, the fan is awful.
Hey! Don't make fun of my fan.
That's a furnace from the 1930s.
Hey,
What's
this
that?
thing is gonna kick some ass. And yes, it may take someone's finger off eventually. I'm scared of that.
All right.
Yes.
I've had one for fucking 6 years, so that all my kids are
Well,
Well, we got
Yeah, but that's you.
we got a lot of work to do.
there's a couple. Look, I found a socket. This is mine. I found it.
Well, you know what, dude? Game on.
Game on.
Pretty much mostly just wiring.
I got my ignition right here.
And then a full shakedown. But I'm excited to tune it because it should make over 400 horsepower, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, that's the goal, right?
Yeah, the goal was 400.
And then you can be like one of those guys that puts their dyno sheet on their windshield at car shows.
Yeah, I could be one of those guys.
This is a brand new windshield. What you know about that?
Hopefully the lights get done this week so we can bring this car down and go ham.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Josh. Can I have this?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
I can have it?
Yeah, you can always need a good tire bargain.
Yeah. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Should we use the YouTube magic?
Yeah, let's use YouTube magic.
All right. Nice. This thing's sick. Hey, B. I don't think you realize you gave it to me, but thank you.
Dude, you stole that from me.
Come on.
You can have it.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Since my life is in shambles and we can't do anything down here, I figured tonight would be a good night to get caught up on some sub mail because you guys know we have a bunch still and we feel bad that we haven't had time to open it all. That's right.
Let's see what we got. Sub mail number 1. It's a flag. Yo, Jimmy, since the walls in your new shop are barren and they need filling up, I thought I'd send you my state flag. Hopefully it finds a place on your wall. Keep killing it on the builds and on track. Give Tuck Path for me, Caleb. West Virginia.
Hey. Fun fact. Most of my family's from West Virginia.
Interesting.
I didn't realize that was the flag.
Ooh. These ankle bracelet? Hey Jimbo and the crew, stoked for the moving content, but don't kill yourself out there. Here are some storage totes and a back brace for y'all lanky ass since your tall boys gotta do so much bending with.
Yo, the back brace.
This is Instagram. How do you pronounce that? Cruspin? I don't even know how to pronounce that. You hit us with the back brace. This would have been so nice if we opened this when we were supposed to. Thank you, man. Is that how you do it?
Dude, I think you got it on backwards. No? You got it on right?
That look good, right?
Yeah.
It's like a heavyweight wrestling belt.
You want to wrestle?
Just got whacked in the face. You're not taking me alive. Oh God, he's so big. That's why I got the belt, B.
All right. Maybe next time I could get the belt.
I think this is jerky, dude.
Does that
Smell it?
No.
Smell it. We used to get a lot of jerky. Remember that?
Yeah, dude,
been a
that
minute.
was a good time.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
No way.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God.
Yes.
Bundles of jerky.
This is freaking sick. Big John coming through again. Hit him with the ghost pepper.
No way. Yo. Sheesh. Ordered by James Underwood.
Old Bay. All right, this is a custom package.
Hey, James.
Thanks, homeboy. Dude, this is a lot of jerky. This will keep the whole squad filled up for a couple weeks. Probably just one sitting, actually, but Derek's gonna be hyped. I know that
Yeah,
one.
no, I'm pretty hard myself.
Nice work. Thanks, James.
Do this one. It's a triangle package.
Oh, we got this one. I feel bad because we got this one a long time ago. Oh shit. What is it? Oh, we got a bunch of goodies, dude. Let's check it out. Oh, I got a Tucker toy.
All right.
Oh man, Tucker's not even here. He's gonna be stoked. Trust us. Tucker's gonna love this thing. There's a squeak. Oh, game over. Boom. Oh boy. All right, guys. So we got this package from Tommy Zolads. I hope I didn't butcher the last name, but he just opened a business in Chicago called Oxide Auto, and they actually are an import business, and it's pretty cool. And I guess what they do is they make a poster for each car they import, and they release them every month, which actually is a pretty badass idea. Oh, I like this already. Oh, it's so sick, dude. I was expecting like a photograph.
This is
way cooler. Yeah.
That's awesome. It's like a 80s movie poster.
Oh, I'm so into it.
Yeah.
Who's ever designing these has really good taste. Oxide Auto. Wow, dude, that's a really cool idea. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks, Tommy. That's sick. These are going up in the soon-to-be office. What the fuck is this? All right, let's check it out. Oh, no way. I ordered this a long time ago for my trailer. I need to get better with that. You want to do the honors?
I guess. I'll take the honors.
I gotta find a knife.
Oh, yeah, it's a whole box of goodies here. It's obviously gonna start with the note here. Yo, Jimmy Crew and B Hall, what is up? I have been a sub for some time now, and I enjoy the content. Keep up the good work. I've sent you guys some needed essentials from my good friends at Concept Z Performance. Since they are local to me here in Phoenix, I saw the Z32 t-shirt and thought of your red Z. Hope you like it, and I also sent a few other shirts and lanyards for the crew. Thanks for keeping me entertained.
Oh, that's so sick.
Sergio Pena, aka Nucktech99M on Instagram and YouTube. Yo, thank you, Sergio. That's awesome.
Sergio, these are sick. I love Concept Z. We've actually worked with them in the past.
Yeah, I actually have one of these shirts.
Oh my god, please be an XL, please be an XL. Yes! Dude, look how sick this shirt is. Artie's gonna be jealous. I see you, Concept Z. What we got?
We got freaking organic dog treats.
Healthy bars for Tucker. This is, Drew's gonna really appreciate this.
A whole,
because we're always trying to give Tucker treats, but he's a thick boy. We gotta keep him healthy, you know?
yo, we got enough lanyards to last a lifetime. Look at this.
Is this a
Tomei lanyards?
Tomei lanyards?
Sick.
Dude, this is so cool.
That's rad. What else do we get? Archer Farms trail mix. That's awesome. And the candy, obviously.
Oh, of course, yeah. You know, balance out the healthiness.
Yo, Sergio. Awesome.
Nice.
Thank you so much, buddy.
That's a great package.
All the way from Phoenix.
All right, so we've got some pretty awesome things so far, but we got a few more packages we're gonna do tonight, and I'm pretty excited to find out what they are. It could be anything, dude.
Dude, I think this one's a flag.
You know what I like? I like the fact that we're in this massive shop and we kind of picked a spot on the ground in the middle.
What is this?
That is the most American thing I've ever seen.
Straight up America flag.
That's amazing.
I like it. Dude, I feel like I need a headband right now, just holding this.
That could be you, Brian. You should really go for that look.
All right. Order it up. Genius. It's a funnel. There's no note.
There's no note?
But I see you for sending us a funnel, because a funnel's, you can never have enough funnels.
But no funnel gang.
Oh shit, maybe this was, dude, did they get us? Was this a trick?
They got us, man.
Ploy?
They were trying to sneak us into using funnels around here.
Man.
All right, guys, so that was awesome. I cannot thank you guys enough. If you guys want to be a part of the sub mail, the address is always in the description. Check it out. Send us something funny, send us something cool, send us something useful, send us anything. We'll have a good time opening on camera. Unfortunately, we weren't able to do anything too cool today, but dude, I mean,
It's like kind of bright in here. Maybe we should tell the landlord to kick rocks and just leave us with these. I'm just frustrated.
Get us some new bulbs and we'll be fine.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, no, I think we're just itching to get to work and really,
You know how big of a tease this whole thing is?
it's a huge tease for us, and yeah, it was a huge excitement to start out with, but now I feel like we're in jail and we're just waiting.
We're in timeout.
Yeah, I really want to like start putting things where they have to
Dude,
go.
I'm dying to.
You know?
whatever. I've complained enough, so thank you guys for watching the video this far. I really appreciate it. I know. But we're going to end it, and hopefully tomorrow has a good surprise for us, and We have some electricians in here. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And B,
We'll see you tomorrow. Have an amazing night.